In this video, what is CDI and how does it work? Types of CDI, DC and AC. Difference between DC and AC CDI. Pinouts and diagram of DC and AC CDI. How to recognize DC from AC CDI. Custom racing CDI spark test. The history of the capacitor discharge ignition system can be traced back to the 1890s, when Serbian-American engineer, futurist and inventor Nikola Tesla is believed to have been the first to propose such an ignition system. In CDI system, also called as capacitor discharge ignition system, a capacitor is charged by a power source and then discharged through the primary coil of ignition coil so that high voltage is developed in secondary coil, which happens exactly on time when the spark has to be executed inside the cylinder. Capacitor discharge ignition (CDI) or thyristor ignition is a type of automotive electronic ignition system which is widely used in outboard motors, motorcycles, lawn mowers, chainsaws, small engines, turbine-powered aircraft, and some cars. CDI exists in two types, for motorcycles, AC and DC. In the example of AC, the input voltage is fed from the alternator stator coil, and in the DC sample, the input voltage is fed from the battery. The DC CDI is very rare and not usually found in scooters or buggies. DC and AC CDIs are not interchangeable. Be sure to ask a seller which version of CDI they are selling before purchasing. To identify your CDI type, just do one of these methods.
First, you must find your CDI socket and remove the CDI from the socket. After that, switch on and test it with simple lump tester. If you have a positive on your socket, your CDI is a DC, but we have not a positive 12 volt in my socket. It is an AC. In another way, we follow the wires from the alternator and found the black with a red line wire. If you have this wire, your CDI is AC. You can check it. When you start or kick start, we have a very weak spark here. This is an AC power. You can check with lump test. We connect one side of the tester on the body or ground and other side to the AC power. When starting, we have a very low power here. In DC CDI, usually 4 pin used only. Check with the test lamp. If you have a battery power on your socket, your CDI is definitely DC. Let's see the pinout of all CDIs, DC and AC together. To start the ignition system. In DC ignition system we have a battery. After crossing the switch, go to the CDI. In the coil starter we have only the trigger wires, below with white line and ground. All ground installed together. And pickup wire go to CDI, and another pin of CDI go to coil. That's it. This is a DC ignition system. In the AC ignition system, the difference between the AC ignition system is only the CDI input power, which is fed directly from the stator coil, and it also has another output in CDI to turn off the ignition system. There is no difference in other case between DC and AC. And pin number 5 connect to the black wire with white line color of the switch. And the pin number 2 of CDI also go to the coil. As you can see, the pin number 6 is connected to the AC power stator coil. The black with the red line wire is a AC ignition system diagram. Let's see in practice. For simulation, the CDI, we need a coil starter and plate and trigger, a coil with spark plug head, CDI box and socket, spark plug and flywheel magneto. I put a bolt inside there because I will turn it with rail and some wire. Tight the plate with screw on the board. Put the flywheel inside the coil starter and the blue with the white line go to trigger, the black with the red line AC power, and the green is a ground. The coil need a ground too. Black with a lemon line go to coil. That's it. It's done. Now we must install CDI and turn it with rail. If you gonna test the spark, you need a ground for a spark plug. And the other side go to green. Now remove the spark plug head and check with the wire. Oh! Holy sh! What the hell? This is a sample simulation of ignition system for testing CDI or coil starter or even a spark plug. Now we're gonna check my custom CDI unit box. Thanks for watching. In the next video I will learn how to make a DC CDI unit. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and like the video if you like it, and share it with your friends. Give me your comment, any question, at your service. Farewell now.